Hey, Brian. It's great to finally meet you. So just to give you a little bit of a run through on what this is, we at NEXEA, our corporate innovation team, has started a new program called Insight Sessions, where we speak to industry leaders and we understand what direction they're going into in this post-COVID era or race. So just as an introduction, it'd be great if you could just tell us about yourself and what you do at IHG.
Sure. So my name is Bryan Chan. I am the Director of Development for Southeast Asia and Korea here at IHG Intercontinental Hotels Group, based in our Singapore support center, covering the region. My role is quite interesting. I mean, I come from very much from an investment banking and an infrastructure banking background, and I transitioned into this role about close to 7 years ago. My role is really to work with investors who are investing behind real estate assets in the hospitality industry, to work with them really to conceptualize, what kind of hotel are you going to build, what kind of concepts are trending, and how are we going to future-proof this asset for you as your asset managers for the next, couple of decades or so.